Welcome to the Divinely Protected Oracle. Thank you for your likes, your subscribes, your comments, and shares. We're going to go ahead and do a general message for the collective. Now, this may resonate with your situation or perhaps someone around you. So please only take the messages that are for you and leave the rest. All right, so let's see what messages we have for you today. All right, we have Money Tree. So a lot of you may be doing extremely well financially at the moment. Now we also have Loan Denied here. So you may have a lot of people, especially with you doing well financially, you may have a lot of people around you that are looking for some sort of loan or investment. And then we also have Toxic Work Environment. All right, so some of you, work extremely hard at what you're doing. You may do jobs here that other people aren't willing to do because it's a dirty job and they don't like that. And say it's, even with this card here, somebody who may do biohazard work where they make a lot of money because they're dealing with, toxic chemicals and, bodily fluids and all that other craziness, right? Which most people would not, consider that a glamorous job. So maybe you, work at a job that is very hard, but it's also very financially rewarding. So let's see what else is going on in this situation. Okay, we have the Ace of Air, which is the Ace of Swords. So that's Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius that you may be dealing with. We also have Third Eye and Clarity here. So a lot of you are trying to use your intuition, possibly with how to spend this money that you've been receiving or your finances. We also have Spirit Guide Assistance here. So a lot of you may be trying to, follow your, family line and what they have done and what they've always, invested in. Or you may just be getting some sort of help from people that have passed on before you. And then in the past here, some of you went through some sort of lack mindset or have, suffered tremendously. Now, for some of you, this, newfound money could be from, say an injury, some sort of lawsuit from work or a lawsuit from a car accident perhaps, but you definitely suffered and struggled in the past, and now you're in a very good financial place, and you're looking to find some sort of truth and guidance on what to do with this or how to move forward. Okay, so let's see what's going on in this situation. All right, we have the Three of Wands. This is all about forward movement. So a lot of you are looking to your future and how you want to invest this money. We also have the Death card here. And we also have the Four of Cups. Okay, so there may have also been someone that passed away that maybe would have given you some sort of inheritance. This can also talk about lottery winnings, where someone may have hit the lottery. And again, there's a lot of people I feel like that have their hands out in this situation. But again, you're seeing this as, you're bored with these people coming towards you with their hand out is what I'm getting. It's getting very old very quick. Okay, so what else do we need to know about this situation? All right, we also have the Page of Cups, and we also have the Hangman. So a lot of you are just feeling very stuck on how to move forward because that's the main focus here is forward movement. But you want to make sure it's done in the right way. So some of you may want to consult a financial advisor, and they'll be able to help assist you on what the best solutions are. And make sure when you are dealing with a financial advisor, even though, yes, they're very knowledgeable, you also want to ask a lot of questions. You want to get every single detail. You want to know what the risks are, what the benefits are, how long it's going to take. You want to get everything, all the details of everything that they offer you, so that way you can really decide what the best option is moving forward. Okay, so let's see what all this is about. What is this Death card about? All right, we have the Ten of Swords. So again, a lot of you have been through, some traumatic events where you felt like a victim in a situation, and now that has ended. That's over. You've been, even though, yes, financial reward is nice and it makes your life easier, but at the same time, it doesn't take away from all the past pain and suffering you went through, even though you got this money. So make sure you do take the time to heal emotionally, mentally, from whatever this situation was that you went through. Because whatever it was with the Ten of Swords, it was something extreme. It was an extreme loss. It could, again, be, another person or some sort of car accident or what have you. And even though, yes, there's a lot of happiness and celebration now that you've received this money, it's still, again, very traumatic. And you need to make sure that you're speaking to someone about that. That's extremely important. And then we have the Sun card. So this is all about you're optimistic about your future. You're happy. You're trying to move forward with the Six of Swords here. And then we have the Knight of Coins. You're trying to be extremely responsible here. It looks like, confirmation. All right. It looks like a lot of you are trying to be extremely responsible with this money. Okay, so what's this Four of Cups about? We have the Eight of Wands. This is about communication, traveling perhaps. Then we have the Hangman. There's some sort of uncertainty about some sort of communication from a Queen of Swords. Now, a Queen of Swords could be, again, a lawyer here. So a lot of you may be somehow uncertain about, this communication or changes that you're receiving from this lawyer. So what is that about? Okay, we have the Five of Cups. Okay, all right, now I understand. Okay, so thank you, Spirit. So what this is saying is, even though you're receiving positive news from your lawyer, you're still, again, focused on your trauma here with the Five of Cups, of what the emotional and mental suffering that you went through, which, again, was extremely traumatic. Okay, so what's this Page of Cups about? All right, we have the King of Wands. Now, you may have some sort of, say, you got fired from a position and you struggled and weren't able to find a job for, say, 2 years because this person, terminated you, and it was an unjust termination. It wasn't a valid reason to terminate you, perhaps, or, something happened where, it negatively affected you. It looks like this person wants to come in and apologize. It could be some sort of business leader or CEO. If you're dealing with a company, say a workers' comp claim or something like that, it looks like someone does want to come in and apologize once all these legalities are over. Or if, say, it was a car accident, whoever the driver was really does want to come in and apologize here. Yep, they're very much all up in their head about, coming and apologizing to you. They feel like, they feel extremely guilty for the pain that they put you through. And, with the Ace of Pentacles here, it looks like they see that, you have the ability to start a whole new life for yourself, which is exactly what is justified after going through such a betrayal. So why is the Hangman here? What is this about? We have the Seven of Coins. We have the Two of Coins. So a lot of you had to really, scrimp and save to, especially with this legal costs that could be involved in this situation. Again, a lot of you were extremely persistent in this situation, and a lot of you had to sacrifice a lot in order just to keep afloat during these legalities here. And we have the Four of Coins. You weren't sure, how you were going to pay rent the next month. You weren't sure, if the electric was going to get turned off. Like, It's a very, very traumatic experience that you went through. Again, I'm going to reiterate, it's extremely important that you reach out to the proper resources that you need to be able to heal those wounds. And then we have the Seven of Swords. Yep. And they even may have had people lying about the situation or having people testify, about some sort of you cheated something or you were dishonest or whatever. But, this person is going to come in and apologize for their behavior. So what's this Three of Wands about? Emperor. Okay, this is your energy right here. You're an Emperor energy. This is someone who is, authority figure, someone who's structure, someone who embodies all four of the kings, someone who's very dependable. So you're now being seen as a very dependable boss energy here. I mean, especially after going through what you went through, all of this pain, and still persevering through the situation to get a positive outcome is a huge feat for anyone. So you need to be proud of yourself for, doing what you did, because you wanted to make sure that, this person or that company or what have you, okay, weren't able to do this to other people. And I think that's, a very valuable lesson that some people need to learn the hard way. Then we have the Knight of Wands here. So a lot of you are having, more of a fearless attitude. You're like, okay, this is finally over. Like, I can kind of get back to my everyday life. I don't have to worry about, the electric bill and the rent bill and the car payment and how am I going to get here or how am I going to get there or how am I going to eat, or like all that is over. All that pain that you went through is over. Okay? We have the Five of Swords. You won the situation. Whoever this King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, or this boss energy, they were completely defeated. And they're heartbroken about the situation, and it's causing them a lot of trauma, and this is your energy here. You're focusing on healing, which is exactly what you need to be doing. Okay, well, I hope this video helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time.